This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fuel filter renewal. The fuel filter is mounted in the right-hand front corner of the engine compartment when viewed from the driver's seat. Clean the top and pipes with a paintbrush and place rags around the filter to absorb any fuel that may be spilt. Remove the cover screws. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, lift off the cover complete with the fuel hoses on the top and move it to one side. Remove the seal and discard it because a new one must be used on refitting. Withdraw the old filter element from the housing and discard. Mop up any spills. Use a pipette or syringe to draw out the dirty fuel and water residue from inside the fuel filter lower housing. Remove the cloth. Use another clean cloth to wipe out the inside of the housing. Insert the new filter element. To help the engine start easier and to prevent having to bleed the system, top up the lower filter housing to within 15 mm of the top with clean diesel, making sure that no dirt or water enters the system. Clean the cover and fit a new seal. Lubricate the O-ring seal with clean fuel before fitting. Fit the cover to the housing. Press down firmly and evenly, then insert the screws and tighten them in a diagonal sequence. Reattach any pipes that may have become detached.